Hey guys, this is Tristan with Circuit Motorsports, and I'm here to tell you about our brand new product that we just came out with. This is a billet aluminum Clutchmaster cylinder brace that we designed and made here at Circuit Motorsports. Basically, we made this to solve the problem of the 2008 to 2014 GH and GR WRX and STIs. The Subaru designers mounted the whole clutch pedal, brake pedal, accelerator pedal assembly to the upper firewall using 3 small spot welds. There's a lot of flex in the firewall at the Clutchmaster cylinder, and that allows the cylinder to move both forward and backward and up and down when you push the pedal in. What happens over time is, with that excessive movement, those spot welds can crack and eventually they will fail. What happens when those clutch welds fail, or those spot welds fail, is that you'll get a lot of squeaking and a lot of extra movement, and it becomes really annoying. Every time you push the pedal down, you get a squeak, and that's the movement of the firewall up and down because those spot welds are no longer holding it in place. So what we did was we designed this billet aluminum brace. We took a block of solid 6061 T6 aluminum and we CNC machined it to our specifications so you get a nice tight fit. And what this does is it mounts to the dog bone mounting bolt through this side, and the Clutchmaster cylinder sits here in this cradle, and you use both mounting studs. There is also a 4th point here where you have a Delrin pressure cup, and you can adjust this up to the firewall so you get a nice tight fit and you prevent most of the movement of the Clutchmaster cylinder. So you'll have 3 mounting points, but you've got 4 contact points, and it greatly reduces the amount of movement on the Clutchmaster cylinder in both the horizontal and vertical planes. And if you take a look at this graph, you'll see here the drastic difference between the cylinder movement with and without our brace. Now, this would be ideal for anyone who owns a 2008 to 2014 WRX or STI. It fits both cars. They all use the same 3 spot weld mounting points for the clutch pedal assembly. If you do not already have the squeak on your car, this would be a great idea because it will most likely prevent those spot welds from breaking. If you do already have the squeaking noise, this is also a great idea. We've tested this on 2 different cars here in the shop. They both had the clutch pedal squeak, and it greatly reduced, if not eliminated, the squeaking on those cars. We use a mil-spec Type 3 hard anodize on these. That prevents corrosion, discoloration, and it actually hardens the surface of these braces. We'll have 5 colors available. We've got this dark gray, kind of a gunmetal. We call this like a JDM green, black, red, and blue. And I'm gonna show you our billet Clutchmaster cylinder brace and where it mounts on the firewall of the 08 to 14 WRX and STI. Now, this is a GC chassis, so obviously this is gonna be a little different, but we have a bare chassis here, so we figured we'd show you because there's a lot of room. The brace mounts up to the firewall, and it uses primarily the 2 mounting studs where the Clutchmaster cylinder go on the firewall. Clutchmaster cylinder sits right here in this cradle. We use new grade 8 or metric 10.9 hardware that we give you. This replaces the OEM pitch stop bolt, and it mounts here. So you've got 3 hard mounting points. And then we give you this Delrin pressure cup, which is a bolt with 2 nuts and the pressure cup, and it goes through this hole here. And basically what that does is this adds a 4th point of pressure, and you adjust it up against the firewall so you get a really tight fit, and you can make sure that it's very steady on your car. These braces are available right now. If you have any questions on these, you can contact us here at Circuit Motorsports and we'll get you taken care of.